welcome to the course on Industrial Automation and Control, course code KW053. This syllabus has been prescribed by Dr. Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow for BTech final year students, but yes, third year students can also join this course. So let's have an overview of what we are going to study in this particular course. First and foremost, we have a detailed syllabus. As you can see on the screen, we have unit 1, in which you will be studying about what actually automation is, introduction to industrial automation, requirement of automation systems, application areas, architecture of industrial automation system, introduction of PLC, supervisory control and data acquisition systems, industrial communication protocols, Modbus and Profibus. So there will be just a little introduction about all industrial automation. In second unit, you will be studying about how this automation can be achieved using the relay logic, and you will be studying about the different relay circuits that will comprise of construction, principle of operation, types of relays, relay as a memory element, contactor circuits, and what are the advantages of contactors over relays, direct online circuit implementation using contactor, automation problems based on relays, PLC introduction, history and current trends, basic block diagram of PLC and classification. Then you will be studying about the sequential flow chart, ladder programming, timer instructions, where you will be studying the different types of timers, the on delay timer, the off delay timers, cyclic and retentive timers, up down counters, math instructions, etc. In unit 4, you will be having you will be given a brief insight into the different types of industrial sensors and their applications, wherein you will be studying about the optical sensors, the inductive sensors, the capacitive sensors, PNP and NPR sensor concept will be revealed to you, and how the interfacing of the sensors is done with the PLC, that is using your 4 to 20 milliamps current loop, and highway addressable protocol, that is highway addressable remote transducer protocol, and what are the modes of highway addressable remote transducer protocol. In the last unit, that is unit 5, we will be studying about the basics of pneumatics and its use in automation, that is what is pneumatics all about, what are the different types of pneumatic systems that are present in the industry, then the different equations, the Boyle's law, Charles law, Bernoulli's equation, humidity, what types of humidity, dew point, what is dew point, what is pneumatic system all about. Then after that, you will be studying about the compressor, after coolers, what is all of, what are the elements of the basic, what are the elements of an industrial industrial pneumatic system, what all are the elements of industrial pneumatic system, that will all be dealt in this particular unit. So let us meet for the automation all about, but let us first give you an overview of what is industrial automation all about. As in the screen you can see, this is all I have captured all industrial automation on the screen. This is all the equipment which you will be learning about in the industrial automation. These are different elements of industrial automation, as you can see. So we will be dealing with each and every element, and we will be studying. So all these elements have been comprised into the syllabus, all have been covered in the syllabus, the different elements. As you can see, we have marked it already on the board. So just keep waiting for the second lecture, and I'll be taking the unit wise, we'll be dealing with the unit wise progress of the course in the proceeding lectures. Thank you.